Hello students, this is a lecture of class 10 subject maths exercise 13.3. Today we will start our next part of this exercise 13.3, that is example 10. That is a copper rod of diameter 1 centimeter and the length 8 centimeters is drawn into a wire of length 18 meter of uniform thickness. Find the thickness of the wire. मीन्स हमें एक कॉपर रोड है दी हुई है जिसका डायमीटर हमारे पास 1 सेंटीमीटर है और उसकी जो लेंथ दे रखी है वो 8 सेंटीमीटर है. हमें इस रोड को ड्रा किया हमने इसको, यानी कि हम ये कह सकते हैं कि इसको हमने चेंज किया या कन्वर्ट किया हमने एक वायर में जिसकी लेंथ हमारे पास 18 मीटर दी हुई है और उसकी थिकनेस यूनिफॉर्म है. हमें वायर की थिकनेस को फाइंड आउट करना है. क्लियर. अब देखिए जो हमारे पास रोड है हमारे पास वो एक सिलेंड्रिकल फॉर्म्स के अंदर है. क्लियर. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द फर्स्ट वॉल्यूम ऑफ द रोड. क्लियर. विच इज इक्वल टू फॉर्मूला ऑफ cylindrical form, that is pi r square h. So r is 1 by 2 because diameter is 1 centimeter given, so radius is half of the diameter and the length is 8 centimeters given, so put the value of r is 1 by 2 and h is 8. Solve it. When you will solve it you will get the result 2 pi centimeter cube. Now we have to find out the length of the new wire of the same volume. Clear. That is length is given in meter, but in the case of the volume of the road that part is given in the centimeter, so first we have to convert meter into centimeter. So 18 meter is equal to 1800 centimeter. Clear. Now find the volume of this new wire which is also the shape of the cylindrical form, so again pi r square h. Clear. We have to find out the thickness, it means we have to find out the diameter of the wire, so we have to find out here firstly radius, then by using the radius we will find the diameter, and the h, that is the height, it means that the 1800 centimeter is given, so put the value in this formula and then put equal to all the volumes, that is the of the road and that is the wire. So which is equal to pi r square into 1800, which is the volume of the new wire, and the 2 pi is the volume of the road. So solve it. That is like pi to pi cancel out and r square is 1 by 900, that is r is 1 by 30. So the diameter is double of the radius, so 1 by 30 multiplying 2 it will become 1 by 15. So when you will solve it, that is you will get the result 0.67 mm approximately, means जो वायर की थिकनेस आएगी वो हमारे पास 0.6 mm बन जाएगी. Clear. Now next example, that is a hemispherical tank full of water is emptied by a pipe at the rate of 3.4 by 7 liter per second. मीन्स हमारे पास एक हेमिस्फेरिकल टैंक है जो वाटर से फुल किया हुआ है और उस टैंक को हमें एम्प्टी करना है लाइक, और जिस रेट से वो एम्प्टी किया जा रहा है वो देखिए, यानी कि पर सेकेंड, मीन्स 1 सेकेंड्स में 3.4 बाय 7 लीटर पानी जो है उसमें से निकाल लिया जाता है, यानी कि. क्लियर. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द हाउ मच टाइम विल इट टेक टू एम्प्टी हाफ द टैंक. हमें ये बताना है कि कितने टाइम में टैंक आधा हो जाएगा. अगर इट इज़ 3 मीटर इन द डायमीटर, मीन्स हमें स्पेरिकल टैंक का जो डायमीटर दिया हुआ है वो 3 मीटर दिया हुआ है. क्लियर. इट मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द हेमिस्फेरिकल टैंक. क्लियर. बिकॉज वाटर which are present in the tank show the capacity of the hemispherical tank and the capacity means volume. So that is radius of the hemispherical is 3 by 2 because diameter is given 3, so radius is half of the diameter, so it will become 3 by 2 meter. Now volume of the tank, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Clear. So r is 3 by 2, put the value r, pi 22 by 7, solve, you will get the result 99 by 14 meter cube. Now we have to find out the volume of the water to be empty, means कितना वाटर जो हमने एम्प्टी करना है टैंक को वो है हमारे पास हाफ. सो 1 by 2 मल्टीप्लाई 99 डिवाइड बाई 14, solve it, that is 99 by 28. But Next part is given in like liters, so we have to find out the change meter cube into the liter. So 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters, so 99 by 28 multiplying 1000. So this is the volume of the water to be emptied, that is double nine triple zero by 28 means 99,000 by 28 liters, the water we have to empty. So now 25 by 7 liters of water is emptied in 1 second, and 1 liter is, that is 1 by 25 by 7, so it will become 7 by like 25, and we have to find out for the water 99,000 by 28 liters empty. So multiplying with, that is 99,000 divided by 28. Now solve it. When you will solve it, you will get the result 16.5 minutes. क्लियर मीन्स उस हेमिस्फेरिकल टैंक को आधा करने में 16.5 मिनट्स का टाइम लगेगा. क्लियर. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ these examples, like you have to solve the sums now from 5 to 9, means 5 to 9 sums you have to solve of exercise 13.3. first 4 sums you had already solved, so now today you have to solve 5 to 9 of exercise 13.3 in fair notebook. Clear? Thank you and have a nice day.